Mmm, is that yummy? Where are you going? You want some more? She's eating sunflower seeds out of my hand. Mmm, yummy! You want more? She's a little birdie. Okay. More? Mmm. Yummy. You're so cute. You're like a little birdie. Are you a little birdie? Nummy nums? She cleared it all off. She's been eating a whole bunch of these. Yummy yums. Hold on. You want more? It's almost. That's it. That's all of it right there. Right there in my hand. That's the rest. Mmm. I bet you got some on the floor. Not many though. There's a little bit left. All gone. You silly girl. You so silly. That's it. You ate it all up. It's all gone. You ate it all up.
Because I'm gonna plug it in.